Okay, let's turn then to tonight's Corona Warrior story. It's not often that we think of them as Corona Warriors, but staff and employees of airports like the Delhi International Airport and airports across the country and the world, working round the clock even during lockdown to ensure the smooth movement of cargo and at times passengers as well. India Today's Paulomi Saha met some of these warriors who seem to be undeterred in the face of a pervasive risk.
When the going gets tough, the tough gets going.
This is what Anshul Gupta has to say when asked if he wasn't worried he'd contract the virus if he kept working in an environment that involves a lot of people-to-people interaction. Anshul oversees cargo movement at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. Working at the airport means he has to make some sacrifices.
My parents is just live adjacent to me, means just near to me. So for last 20-30 days, I'm not being able to meet my mother. There is always a risk of getting getting infected. Right. So that's why I decided not to meet my mother. So daily I used to have a video call with her.
Anshul's colleague, Sanskriti, also has a hectic schedule since the Delhi airport became a hub for cargo movement across the country. Despite the difficulties in reaching work every day, she remains committed to the job.
I stay in Rajouri Garden and I don't have any conveyance as such, my personal conveyance. So I have to walk a little bit, approximately 3-4 kilometers. We are taking adequate precaution and at times, yes, obviously it is, there's a fear that maybe that there's someone infected or maybe something is infected, we could get infected. But then ultimately it's need of the hour, so we thought why not.
This is the same spirit we see in Rajni and Rekha, both sanitation workers at the airport.
अगर मैम हम लोग ही डरने लगे तो यहाँ पर काम करने कौन आएगा? हमें तो आना ज़रूरी है ना, स्टाफ है, पैसेंजर आते हैं तो साफ़ सफाई भी बहुत ज़रूरी है मैम। इसीलिए अपनी सावधानी से आते हैं, अपनी सेफ्टी से आते हैं और सर भी हमारे कंपनी वाले भी हर चीज़ के सेफ्टी देते हैं। तो हम काम भी करते हैं तो अपने सेफ्टी से करते हैं।
Ask the duo about the fear of going back to their families after work every day, and back comes the reply.
इन्हें के जाता ही बच्चे के चिपट जाते हैं, सामान बाहर रखते हैं बालकनी में, बैग वगैरह, फिर हम नहाते हैं, डिटोल में यूनिफॉर्म धुआ के 1 घंटे छोड़ देते हैं। बच्चे भी कहते हैं मम्मी आप वहाँ इतने एयरपोर्ट में कोरोना पेशेंट इतने होते हैं, आप ड्यूटी क्यों जाते हो? मैंने कहा बेटा अगर मैं घर बैठ गई तो उनको कौन संभालेगा, वहाँ पे देखना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है मैम।
With Paulomi Saha in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Okay, let's leave you tonight with our images. Australian cricketer David Warner, quite active as always on social media during the lockdown. The Australian opener recently taking Instagram by storm when he shared a video of him grooving on the beats of a Tamil song with his wife and daughter. Take a look. Okay, that's the next one. Singapore authorities have deployed a robot dog to remind people of social distancing. Far from barking orders, this dog will politely ask joggers and cyclists to maintain a safe distance. Not a bad way of enforcing social distancing. And while most of us are coping with lockdown blues, plants and animals are certainly making the most of it. Watch how olive ridley turtles' babies are making their way to the sea in Odisha. That's my final image. I'll be back with the race for Corona cure on the other side.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.